हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम मेकअप करने वाले हैं फ्रेकल्स मेकअप, जहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे डॉट्स दिखते हैं ना, और वो इतना ज़्यादा क्लीन लगता है, इतना ज़्यादा ग्लोई लगता है। सो आज हम वो वाला मेकअप करेंगे। मैं उसका फ़ोटो यहाँ पे दे दूँगी। एंड उस मेकअप को स्टार्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले तो हमें अपना आईब्रोज़ बनाना पड़ेगा। मैंने ट्यूटोरियल देखा है कि किस तरह से वो बनाया जाता है स्टेप वाइज, तो मैं भी आपको बताते जाऊँगी। सबसे पहले वी विल जस्ट ब्रश आवर आईब्रो इस तरह से। तो कुछ इस तरह से मैं अपने आईब्रोज को जो है फ्लैटन कर लूँगी। एंड देन बिफोर अप्लाइंग एनी प्रोडक्ट ऑन योर फेस यू शुड वाइप योर फेस ऑलवेज, बिकॉज ट्रूली स्पीकिंग मैंने सुबह से अपने फेस को सुबह ही धोया था, फिर उसके बाद मैंने और कोई क्रीम वगैरह भी नहीं लगाया बिकॉज आई एम नॉट होम। सो आई जस्ट रब माई फेस बिफोर आई स्टार्ट यूजिंग एनी प्रोडक्ट। लेट्स डू आवर आईब्रो। सो फॉर माई आईब्रो मैं ये वाला ब्राउ टैटू बाय इनसाइट मैं इसको यूज़ करने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव नो आईब्रोज एट ऑल। लाइक मेरे आईब्रोज नहीं है, मैं फ़ोटो खींचती हूँ तो मेरे आईब्रो नहीं दिखते हैं लिटरली। सो आई जस्ट यूज़ दिस। इससे मैं एक बॉर्डर बना लूँगी अपने आईब्रो के दोनों साइड। इट्स ओके इफ इट्स योर फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर डूइंग दिस, थोड़ा सा मैसी होगा बट दैट्स ओके। अब जब भी आप प्रोडक्ट को से निकालो जस्ट रिमूव द एक्सेस, बिकॉज ये जाके आपके आईब्रो को गंदा करने वाला है। सो ऐसा लगा लिया। ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, ब्रश के साथ विल जस्ट स्वाइप इस तरह से। तो ये जितना ड्राई होता जाएगा आप उसको इसे उतना ही ऊपर खींचिए, तो ये यू कैन सी कि थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ ये लुक दे रहा है। ओके, लाइक दैट। सो आवर आईब्रोज आर रेडी। अब हम जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है वो है कॉन्टूर। हम कॉन्टूर करेंगे अपने फेस को। तो कॉन्टूर करने से पहले मैं अपने फेस पे ये वाला प्राइमर लगाना चाहती हूँ लैक्मे का। लेट्स यूज़ इट। इट्स अ वेरी नाइस प्राइमर, बहुत ही स्मूथ एप्लीकेशन है इसका। हमेशा आई ट्राई टू यूज़ प्राइमर नाउ बिकॉज माई फेस इज़ वेरी ऑयली और पिम्पल्स निकल आते हैं। तो आई पुट अ border, a barrier, so that it doesn't destroy my skin pH. Okay, you can see कितना ग्लोई हो जाता है ये प्राइमर लगाते ही। You get this glowy face. I just poked my eye. So now we will be using a contour. I'll just use my finger because it's a powder contour. Just put it here, 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 little bit over here. थोड़ा सा साइड पे भी you can apply if you have double chin. End it with a brush. I have seen the whole tutorial how it's done because मुझे नहीं आता है. I just wanted to try. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just copy and paste. That's it. Some of the tricks I know कि कैसे करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए for your skin care. What are you supposed to do and what not. मुझे बस इतना ही पता है. Now we'll just apply our highlighter before applying any foundation. She applied a lot on her nose, so we will do that. So हमने हाइलाइटर जो है लगा लिया है अपने नोज़ पे। नाउ आई सॉ कि जो हमारा कॉन्टूर था उसने अपने आईज पे भी शी यूज्ड इट, विल ऑल्सो यूज इट। यस, दिस वे, एंड शी ब्लेंडेड इट वेरी केयरफुल। There's a trick to use brush for your eyes. Just have to hold the brush here, last में पकड़ना उसको, and then it blends very easily, they say, I don't know. This is a really nice foundation, nice and affordable foundation. Ever since I knew about foundations, I always bought this one because for me this has worked like a professional foundation. So I use this. You can see the difference. It covered my dark circle only at one application. I'll just apply one more layer under the eyes only, like so. Just let it there to set while I'll be doing the other side. So I have this pimple, a large huge pimple on my cheek. Let's try to hide it. Let's blend the other side. I always love doing makeup, but ever since I got my pimples, I don't do it often. This full face makeup, I'm just doing it to try because I wanted to try the freckle makeup because I saw Ananya Pandey doing this makeup and she was looking so gorgeous. She was tan and then she used highlighters and freckles. She looked very gorgeous, so I wanted to try. So you can see my dark circles are gone. I'll apply one more layer around my cheeks because I have to do my freckles. I'll just see the next step and I'll be back. हमारी पीजी वाली आंटी हमें समोसे, रसगुल्ले और रियल लेके गई है. So we're just digging it. Happy Diwali. And for the freckles, I'm so excited. So for the freckles, I have this. You can just dot it with this like that. Alright. I also have eyeliner brush. Let's see what we can do for the freckle. I think I should apply some blush on my cheek and then we should go with the freckle. This blush from Inside Cosmetic, which is, I don't know, I don't like it. Okay, let's just come chala with the blush. It's such a cute color, but the quality is not good according to me. The quality sucks. Why are you laughing? This girl, she's crazy. Okay, now time for the freckles. I'm super scared. I don't know, I've never done this. Let's just do it. Eh? This is what I was afraid of. I'll just rip off my makeup because of this. Okay. Okay, I think now it's working a little bit. Oh, yeah. Now it's okay. Okay, I have. So ready. Thank God I had this ready in my hand. So what I'll do, I'll just dot in my hand, in my finger, and I'll just do this, so that थोड़ा थोड़ा जो है लग जाए मेरी cheeks पे. This thing is so large. I'll get a mole with the freckles, I feel. Let's just try it a little. Okay, transferred. Now let's do it. Oh, I guess it's working. Yeah. Okay, let's just normalize messing up your makeup while doing freckles. You'll just hear my roommate laughing by seeing my makeup. My freckles. Let's just do one more batch and then we'll be done. I think this is the perfect hack to do your own freckles. Have this. This is the best hack, I guess. Just do this, copy paste, and then put it wherever you want. I feel this is the craziest hack that I have invented. What's that? It doesn't look like a... Oops. क्या चीज़ें गिर रही हैं? I have no idea. I'm just removing the freckles that I don't like. Is it good? And we're done. We're done with the freckles. Now let's do our eyes. The eyes must be like this. Okay. Let's just curl my eyelashes. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay. Ooh, can you see that? So this is the first layer. we'll do 3 layers each eye so that our eye looks pretty good. Right eye, and I don't have a white kajal, so I just apply blue. I hope it will look good. White अगर होता तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता, but I don't have it, so we can't do anything. The next eye. We're done. Now we'll be doing our lips. Next step will be lips, but before that we'll have to use a lot of highlighter in our inner corner. A lot of it. I have applied the lip liner. Now it's time for a light lip oil. This lip oil, I hope this will go. I don't know, I'm confused. Okay, this will go. So that was my makeup. That was my makeup. So this video was type of a tutorial for the people who don't know how to do makeup actually. Also the college going girls can try this out. This is the easiest process I could do because you need a lot of there are this fake freckle thing in the market which you will find and you can do it, and if you don't have it you can just apply things that I use this Lakme eyeliner. You can just take the eyeliner brush and just dot it on your finger and apply it on your cheeks. That is easiest way you can do it. That is a easy way you can try doing it. And if you like such contents, please show some amount of love so that I know that you're liking it, and I will make another video where I'll show such easy things that I can. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Happy Diwali.